First question was an arc of a circle of radius 14 centimeter subtends an angle of 90 at the center. So very easy. The formula to use is L is equal to 2 pi r or theta by 360 wala, right? Into theta by 360. This is the formula that you used, and in the question they have provided you information r equal to 14 centimeter and theta equal to 90 centimeter. Correct? So 90 by 360 automatically becomes 1 by 4, right? Into 2 into 22 by 7 into r, which is 14. So this will become 2. This will become 2, this can become 11, 2 and 2 cancel. So answer is 22 centimeter. First answer is 22 centimeter, option A. Is that correct for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. The next question was, what was the next question? Which of the following correctly describes the nature of pi? So, what is pi? Pi
Pi is a
is a rational number equal to 22 by 7. Is that correct? No, because it doesn't terminate, right? And it is like going on forever, and it is not repeating also. So, first one is wrong. Then pi is an irrational number and is only an approximation. Yeah, B is correct. Pi is
yeah.
a rational number. That is wrong. Pi is obviously not a rational number. Then pi is this much. Okay, so B is the correct answer for the second question. Third, the area of sector of a circle with radius 7 centimeter and center angle 120. Okay. Third question, please check properly, which is the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Here we are given radius is 7 and theta is 120. Okay, so 120 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, 7 and 7 cut, and 12 and 36 also gets cut. So we are left with 154 by 3. 154 by 3 is not the option. Is it there?
Ma'am, it's coming in mixed fraction.
Yeah, yeah. So option D. Option D is the answer for third one. If you convert it into mixed, you will get the answer. Now, the next question, fourth one. A trapezium has parallel sides of length 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay. If its area is 60, find its length. So trapezium,
Ma'am, what was the answer for the third one?
third one answer is D. D is in dog.
Okay, ma'am.
This is parallel side. Trapezium has parallel sides of length 12 and 8. Okay. Now for trapezium we need height. I like to visualize it, so I've just drawn the diagram. Okay, now what? The area is 60, you have to find the height. What is the formula for area of a trapezium? Half into,
H into A plus B by 2.
exactly. Sum
Yeah.
of parallel sides AB plus CD into height.
Into height.
Data. So area is how much is the area given?
60.
60 equal to 1 by 2. 12 plus 8 is 20 into h. So this we cut, it is 10, 10 goes down. So 60 by 10 equal to h. H is 6 centimeter. So for fourth option is C. How is it, kids? Were you almost like correct, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us go to the fifth question. Assertion reason. Okay. The area of a circle of radius r is pi r square and the circumference. These two formulas, yeah, assertion is true. Archimedes proved that the area of a circle is equal to half into this, yeah, that is also true. So for fifth one, answer is A. Both of them are true and R is the correct explanation. Then we are coming to
Ma'am, what's the answer for the fifth one?
A option.
Yeah.
Now we're going to the sixth one. A thread is wrapped exactly 15 mins around a circular pipe of diameter this much. Find the length of the thread used. Good. I don't know how many of you did this. A thread is wrapped exactly 15 times around. Okay. So this is actually, it is the pipe. Okay. On this pipe, they are saying diameter is 4. That means radius is 2. Now you have a thread and they are wrapping it 15 times. So, first time when they wrap a thread round around the pipe, it is the circumference 2 pi r. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is 2 into 22 by 7 into how much is r?
R is
R
2.
is 2. Okay. Oh, so we are getting 88 by 7. Okay. Now what did they send? Asked you to find the how like 15 times it is making the circumference. So 15 into 88 by 7.
is the length of the thread.
Yeah, that is the length of the thread. So we'll have to calculate it.
188.57 approx.
This is the sixth answer. Now we'll go to the seventh one. Original, the side of a square is side of a square is increased by 50%. Okay. Find the percentage increase in its perimeter. Side, so if this is my square and the side is A, the perimeter of the square is 4A. Is that correct? Now they're saying the side of the square is increased by 50%. So what will happen? 50%.
Ma'am, are they saying only, ma'am, are they saying all the sides of the square increased or only one of them?
See, if you increase only one side of the square, then it doesn't remain a square now.
Yeah.
So 50% means this is 0.5A, right?
And it's increased by
Ma'am, it's
50.
expressing more.
Yeah, so it'll be 1.5.
Now I wrote x plus 1 by 2x.
So it is this only, right? 1.5A.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
new perimeter will be kids A plus half A, right? So if you take it 2A plus A
Yeah, ma'am,
by
that's what I did. X plus 1 by 2
yeah,
x.
3A by 2. You can take this also. This is the side. Now the new perimeter will be
4.
1.5A into 4, which
Yeah.
is 6A.
6x.
This
6
is
a.
the
And it
new
increased
perimeter.
by 50%
Also, it's
only.
50% increase. It's 50% increase.
Yeah.
So it
So
increases by
actually,
50.
you remember you had learnt in grade 8 percentage increase. How do you find percentage increase? The difference between new and old, 6A minus 4A divided by original. Original is 4A. That is your formula to check the percentage increase. So this is 2A by 4A. So how much is it? 1 by 2, which is 50% increase. Okay. So this is a percentage increase or decrease. You have to use the formula which we learned in grade 8. Difference between the old and new divided by the old. So now that was 7th, and let us go to the 8th question. What are we saying? Wait, let me check the 8th. The base of the parallelogram is 15. Height is 10. Triangle is constructed on the same base and has the same area. Oh, okay. Base of a parallelogram is 15. Height is 10. A triangle is constructed on the same base and the same area as the parallelogram. Find the height. Okay. So area
Ma'am, so it doesn't have to be in the. Ma'am, the triangle can go outside the parallelogram, right? It doesn't have to be
can,
in it.
but here we don't have to worry because what we know is first thing they told us is area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. That's what they said in the question, right? Right. What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
area of
Yes,
a
ma'am.
parallelogram? Height into
Ma'am, 150,
base.
150
Yeah, 15
55.
into 10. And area of the triangle is half into base into
50.
height. That's it. We keep height here and the rest here. So it becomes 15 and 15 cancel. So we are getting the answer as 20 centimeter. So this was very easy because it was given in the question that area of the parallelogram and triangle is equal. So that was the plus point, isn't it? Now let's go back to the next question. How many kids found this paper difficult? Anybody found it difficult? See, ninth one I'm going to explain. Show that Brahmagupta's formula reduces to Heron's formula. What was Brahmagupta's formula?
Ma'am, S minus A. No, under root.
Yeah,
Under root S minus A.
first we were finding S,
Yeah. Semi perimeter. S is semi
right?
perimeter.
A
So,
plus B plus C by 2.
2. And this was what we got.
What is that? What is that plus after C plus?
Sorry.
Okay.
This is Brahmagupta's formula, right? Where it was A plus B plus C plus D by 2. And
No, ma'am, this is the semi perimeter. This is the semi perimeter, right?
yeah, we are starting from here, na? So for him, his next step was area. Area
Now
is
it's under root.
This is Brahmagupta's formula to find area of a cyclic quadrilateral. Remember that. This is the formula to find area of a cyclic quadrilateral. Now what happened? They said, how does it reduce to Heron's formula? So for that, D is equal to 0. So if D is 0, what will happen? S will be equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So this is crucial, and because of that, this formula will become S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and S minus 0. D is 0. So in the next,
Ma'am, so just S. So it'll be S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C.
yeah, that is how the S remains. That is how the Brahmagupta formula reduces to Heron's formula, because the D is taken as 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So that is done, because Heron's formula may only 3 sides are there. The fourth side is not there. That is why you are taking D as 0. But in Brahmagupta's cyclic quadrilaterals formula, 4 sides are there. So to reduce it to this, he considers D as 0. Okay? Is it clear to everybody? So what is the difference here? We don't
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
S. That thing, because it becomes 0, only we get a S in Heron's formula outside. Now we are going to the 10th question. Umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth. Each is having this side. So when you look at the question itself, you should realize that we don't have a height. So we will automatically go to Heron's formula. So the area of cloth required. Kids, all of you are correcting, I hope. After that, please don't forget to send the screenshot. Very few kids send it on regular basis. Others are not sending. This time, I'm asking on a very serious note. I want it before you do anything else today. Triangular piece. Now, area of the cloth required. So first we will have to find one triangles. S is 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2, which is how much?
42 by 2, 21.
21. You guys have done it, so tell the values, okay? 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. So, I told you not to multiply. 21 is 3 into
3 into
7,
7,
2 into
2 into
2,
2 into 2,
2 into 7,
7,
3
3 into 2.
into 2. I think everybody is coming out, right?
Yeah,
3 into 7 into 2 into 2. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 7 is 84 centimeter square is the answer, area for one triangle. For 10 triangles, it is 840 centimeter square. Okay. So 10th one is also done. After that, did I ask you to do 11th?
Yes, ma'am.
One minute, my graph is gone. Okay, let me just check the 11th question. A window frame consists of rectangles surmounted by semicircle. So kids, it looks like this. In UAE, most of it is like this, right? It's surmounted. Now what? The total height of the frame, including the semicircle, is 3.5. Okay. So this height, 3.5. Now, the width is 2.8. So this is 2.8. So this is also 2.8. Now what?
Ma'am, that's the width of the frame, right? Not the width
The
of the
width, so
rectangle.
it should be
Width of the frame.
huh?
1 meter. Hmm? Hmm? Hmm. So, if the diameter is 2.8, kids, how much is the radius?
2.8 by 2.
So, 1.4, right? See, all this we get when we draw the diagram. It becomes easy then. Okay, so we got that information. Now, what are they asking? Find the radius of A. So, first question is done. A is done, 1.4. Correct. B is,
Yes, ma'am.
that was easy. B is, find the perimeter of the window frame excluding the base. Okay, because that base part, this part will be embedded, no? So we will not see that. So they are asking you to find the perimeter of the window frame. Okay. Include the two vertical sides and the semicircular arc only. Okay, this is interesting. So height of the rectangular portion is how much? How much is this height? Tell me, kids. Height of
2.1.
AB. How much is AB?
AB
3.5 minus
Point.
1.4, right? Because the total is 3.5. From that, I will subtract 1.4. So how much am I getting? 2.1 meter. That is
2.1.
that is the height of the rectangular portion. Now, so this is 2.1 and this is also 2.1, which will add up to 4.2. 4.2. So that portion I am done. Let me just uh, use another color. So this and this I'm done. Now I have to find the semicircular area. Semicircular area, that means half of the circumference, half into 2 pi r. So half and half gets cut. 22 into 7 or 22 by 7 into 1.4. Am I correct, kids? So what did I tell? If any kids have problem with decimals, you will write it as 14 by 10. So this will get cut to, you will get 44 by 10, which will make it 4.4. Now what did we get? We got this portion also. How much is that? 4.4. So this is what they asked you to find. So 4.4 plus 1.4 is the total perimeter, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
4.4 plus 4.2. 4.2, which is 8.6 meter. That is the total perimeter asked in the question. They clearly asked you to exclude this and this. So it's this outer frame they asked you to find. Okay. Is it clear to kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is the C? Find the total area enclosed by the window O. That's also easy. Area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. That's fine. So area of rectangle L into B, how much is it? We found L and B 2.8 into 2.1. If anybody has 10, please tell me the value. Or else I'll have to do. Not done. Is it 5.88 meter square? That is area of rectangle. Semicircle's
Yes, ma'am.
area is pi r square into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 by 10 into 14 by 10. Right? 7, 2. 2, 7. Okay. Do you want me to cut anything else? Yeah, I can. 2, 5 and no, I should not have. Sorry. So what do we get? 44.
Ma'am, 308. 308 by 100.
308 by 100. So we will get 3.08. See, this is the easiest way to divide when you have problem with the decimal skids. So 3.08. So total area is, rectangle was 5.88 plus 3.08. So answer is 16 ka 1, 9 and 8. 8.96 meters square. That's also done. Perfect. Next, D. If the glass cost this much, find the total cost of the glazing window. That means area into rate, right? Area we found, that's only multiplication. 8.96 into 250. 2240 is the answer. Good job, guys. Um, why is it so much Shanti? Thank you, Ritik. Now, we have time. Can you do one more question, the 12th one, so that I can be free of this chapter? Next class, we can start next question. Huh? Just do this one. It's easy. This is very easy. Quickly try to do it. Object oriented. This is objective. Read it properly so that I can move to the question part.
Ma'am, can you show the options for the first one?
Yeah, I'll come 2 minutes. Circle. Hmm. ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ അപ്പോൾ
Ma'am, are there more than are there other questions for this one?
yeah.
Ma'am, can you show the figure? Ma'am, can you show the figure?
Everybody done?
No,
No,
ma'am, can you show?
തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ? പറഞ്ഞു പോയിട്ട് എത്ര നേരമായി? എന്നെനിക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു പോയിട്ട് എത്ര നേരമായി?
Ma'am, can you go back? Can you go back at the page before? Ma'am, not this one, this circle one.
Which one?
Ma'am, not the 11th one. The,
I think it just skipped.
yeah. Okay, ma'am, you can change the page.
ഞാൻ പോകണം. Okay, guys, just check your answers. Twelfth, what is the first answer? Kids, we will discuss these answers in tomorrow's class. Okay, and please
Okay.
please send the screenshot of the pictures of the work that you have done today without leaving the place. I'm leaving you 10 minutes early to send the screenshots, to send the pictures.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't just take break right now. Send all the pictures, everybody. Today's work has to be sent. Bye. Have a nice day.